In this step we will set up the portfolio section of the front page. Click on the Customize link to open the Customizer panel. Click on the Front Page Section tab. Click on the Portfolio tab to open Portfolio Settings. The first setting, Portfolio Section Enable Disable, you can choose this setting. Now we will add a section title and description for the portfolio section. Click on the Add New Portfolio button to add a new portfolio. Now, click on the newly added Portfolio tab to open its settings. First, we add a title for the portfolio. Now, we will add a subtitle of the portfolio. You can adding a URL into link text box. You can also set the link opening target as the same window or a new window. Now using the Upload Image button you can upload a portfolio image. Using the autoplay setting, you can turn to enable or disable the automatic slideshow. Portfolio animation speed setting will help you to set the time delay to display the next slide. You can increase or decrease the time interval, which is milliseconds. Now select your portfolio width. And column layout. And select your homepage portfolio count. Now click on the Publish button to publish the portfolio project, and go to the website home page to take a preview of the newly added portfolio project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.